So, you're a virgin. Well, at least to commercial real estate investing. Well, buckle up, because time to take that plunge. And I promise, it'll be more satisfying than your first love. I'm Amit Grover, your guide navigating the seductive world of commercial properties right here in the steamy heart of Atlanta. Just like in the dating world, first impressions in commercial real estate can be deceiving. You think you've found the perfect match, a charming little retail space, or a sleek office building with those come hither windows. But without the right knowledge, you might just end up with a costly heartbreak. Investing in commercial real estate is like a sophisticated dance. You need to know the moves, cash flow, zoning laws, leases. It's not just about finding a pretty facade. It's what's on the inside that counts. And pays the rent. This series is your foreplay to mastering the market with deep dives into the types, dynamics, and key players who make it all happen. Let's start by undressing why commercial real estate should be the main affair in your investment portfolio. Think of it as the dating profile of commercial real estate, giving you all the deets you need to swipe right on the right investments. Now, why get into this relationship? Because mastering commercial real estate is like having the ultimate dating playbook. It's not just about splurging on the first pretty facade you see. It's about strategic investments that move to the rhythm of the market and keep pace with legal dances. Curious about the variety of dates you could be having? Stay tuned, because our next session will take you through a roller coaster romance with different types of commercial properties. Whether you prefer the high-rise seductress or sprawling industrial complex, knowing what's out there is the key to finding your real estate soulmate. Now, are you ready to stop the casual dating and start a serious, profitable relationship with your commercial portfolio? Do you have an intriguing story or burning question about your commercial real estate pursuits? Comment below. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Let's take